2023 Land Rover Range Rover Sport Overview. Hot on the heels of the reimagined 2022 Range Rover, the 2023 Range Rover Sport shares its width and wheelbase with the fresh Range but is slightly shorter. Its sleek new body is elegant and unadorned, and the exquisitely appointed interior leaps ahead of the previous model. The Range Rover Sport is a rare blend of high design, traditional British opulence and real off-road ability. Performance models badged P400 SE use a turbocharged and electrically supercharged 3.0L inline-6 producing 395 horsepower. The first edition model rocks a BMW-sourced twin-turbo 4.4L V8 kicking out 533 ponies that will launch the Sport to 100 km/h in 4.5 seconds. All-wheel drive is standard, as is an 8-speed ZF gearbox. The plug-in hybrid P440e model generates 434 horsepower and 619 pound-feet and has an expected 80 km of EV range. Air suspension is standard, with optional electronic roll control that gives this big brute impressive body control. Practicality. Despite the new 2023 Range Rover Sport's graceful bodywork, it is, of course, an accomplished off-roader, bragging advanced all-wheel drive and off-road programming. There's a useful 903L of cargo space behind the second row, expandable to 3,341L. The cabin is roomy, airy and affords excellent outward visibility. Canadian pricing. The limited and fully optioned 2023 Range Rover Sport First Edition, rolling on its 23-inch wheels, lists at $133,650. Opting for the greener hybrid P440e will set you back $123,050. The entry point of this new RR Sport is the $101,750 Dynamic S.